Good morning, students. May God seek His blessings upon you. Today we'll start with our new lesson, subject verb agreement. Now remember the following rules. Rule number 1 is when we construct a sentence, its verb and subject should agree in number and person. Earlier also we learnt it. Verb and subject should agree with the number and person. If singular person is there, it means verb should be also a singular. A singular subject takes a verb in a singular and a plural subject takes the verb in a plural. See, Venu comes here every week. Venu is singular and his verb is also singular. The teachers are on strike. Teachers are plural and this verb is in the plural form. Venu, singular object, comes is verb in singular. Then teacher is plural subject and are verb in plural. Now rule number 2 is when two or more singular subjects connected by and are used as subjects, the verb should be in the plural. When two singular subjects are connected with and, then what will be the verb will be plural. Sam and David are brothers. Mohan, Gopal and Raju are coming here. Here we cannot write is. What will be a plural because two persons are there connected with and. Then rule number 3 is when two singular nouns refer to the same persons. Two singular nouns are there but refer to the same person, the verb must be in the singular. The correspondent and principal has gone to Chennai. Correspondent and principal is the one person only. So here has, not have, but has. John's friend and colleague is coming. Friend and colleague, both one person is only there. He is friend also and colleague also. So here verb is singular. Now rule number 4 is when two or more nouns make one unit, the verb must be in the singular, as rice and curry is the main food of South India. Rice and curry we used to eat together. So it is making one unit. So verb will be singular. Bread and butter is a perfect food. Singular. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady is making one unit and wins is in singular. Okay. Now rule number 5. Each and every are singular determiners. Each and every are singular determiners. Therefore, when singular or subject is qualified by either of them, the verb must be in the singular. See, each boy was given a present. Here was, we have not used where because each is a singular determiner. Every man is expected to do his duty. So, is also singular because these both are singular determiners. Rule number 6. The phrase one of is always followed by a plural noun. The phrase one of is always followed by a plural noun. But the verb is in the singular. But verb is singular. Now see, one of the children. Here children is noun. Noun is, children is noun and it is in plural form. Has told me the truth. Has is verb. So it is in singular. Told me the truth. One of the robbers, noun and it is plural also. Has surrendered. Has, that is verb and it is singular. Okay. Now rule number 7 is when two nouns are linked by either or neither nor, the verb agrees with the latter nouns. Either food, neither food nor clothes were available there. Neither and nor. Neither clothes nor food was available there. See, neither food nor clothes means food was also not there and clothes were also not there. So here what is the verb is plural form. Verb is in plural. But neither clothes nor food. Clothes, now here clothes is plural. Food is singular. So here what is the verb is singular. Here food was singular, clothes was plural. So after that the verb we used plural. Here it is singular. So verb here we used singular. Okay. Rule number 8. When a sentence begins with introductory there, the verb should agree with the noun that follows it. There are 5 mangoes in the basket. So when a sentence is starting with there, we have to see the noun. If the noun is in plural, so we will use the verb in plural. There is a table in my room. Table is singular, so here verb is also singular. Now 9 is nouns connected by with, together with, and as well as. Take the verb according to the former noun. The mother with her children goes to walk. My father as well as my mother has come. Here you can see the mother with her children. Mother is going to walk with her children. So here mother is the former. Main noun is the mother. So here this one is also singular. Father as well as my mother. The father is the main noun here. So verb is singular. The parents. Now parents. It is plural. As well as their children are responsible for it. So this one is the main noun is in plural, so verb is also in plural. If the main noun is singular, so verb will also come singular. Now rule number 10 is if a plural noun referring to distance, weight, height, amount of money represents to single figure or quantity, it should be followed by a singular verb. A 500 rupee note, one note is only there, 500 rupee note, was paid to the servant. 50 kilometers is a long distance to walk. See, it is said when we are talking about distance, weight, height, amount of money represents a single figure. It represents a single figure or quality, so it will take a singular verb. Now rule number 11 is the name of a book, house or hotel, even if in plural form, is taken as singular and so the verb should be in singular. Name of hotel, book, it will take the singular verb. Gulliver's Travels is an interesting book. The Great Expectations was written by Charles Dickens. Now rule number 12 is collective nouns take verbs in the singular. When collective noun is there, the verb will be in singular. But if we take the individual separately, verbs can be in plural. See, a herd of cattle, it is collective noun, is grazing near the field, so it took singular verb. The class is learning history. The class is collective noun, so is singular verb. Some of the crew were saved. It is individual taken. That some of the crew, some were saved. So here it is plural. Now 13 is nouns such as clothing, food, furniture, crockery, cutlery, stationery and footwear are singular and the verb should therefore be in the singular. With these all nouns, the verb will be in singular. The furniture has been damaged. The clothing has to be washed. Now 14 is the nouns plural in form but singular in meaning. Nouns which is form is plural but meaning is singular. Take verb in singular. The news is not true. News. We'll read it as plural but meaning is only singular, is not true. Physics. name of a subject. Its form is plural, but it is singular. It an interesting subject. Phrases like a lot of, plenty of, a great deal of, most of, and some of are used as singular when they refer to amount or quantity, but they take plural verb when they refer to number. Now see, a lot of work has to be completed. So here it is used as singular. A lot of boys like to enjoy in the class. A lot of toys, now it is taken as a number. How many number? A lot of. So here it is taken as plural. Now fill in the blanks with the correct form of the given verb so that they would agree with their subjects. One of my friends dash near the post office. Leave. So one of my friends lives near the post office. As all the books in this room dash to me. All the books. So it will belong to me. The Confessions of Saint Augustine dash very difficult to be understood. Now be means is, are we have to use. Okay, be form is, are. So the confessions, many confessions he did, so are. Politics dash not liked by everyone. Be form. So politics is not liked by everyone. The minister together with his secretary dash here today. Come. So here we will use comes here. Because here together with, we have seen that when together with we will take it as singular. Either Mohan or Raju. Either Mohan or Raju broken the glass. Have. So what we will use? Mohan or Raju. Not both, but one has broken. So here will be has. To respect our elders dash our duty. Be form. To respect our elders is our duty. There dash plenty of water in the well. Again be form. We cannot count the water. Okay, there is plenty of water. The news dash reliable. Again be form. The news is reliable. All the pupils of the school dash English. The school learn English. David, Anand and Ravi dash my best friends. Be form. Are. When and is used. So, verb will be plural. The postman dash every morning. The postman comes every morning. Each boy dash given a present. Be form. Each boy was given. The Arabian Nights dash an interesting storybook. Name of a storybook. So here is. The great politician and statesman. One person is only there. He is a politician also and statesman also. Okay, so here it will be in singular. Is dead. Now correct the following sentences. A herd of cattle were grazing. What will come? A herd of cattle was grazing. One I am writing, rest you write down. Okay. A herd of cattle was grazing. Now there are 10 apples in the basket. There was there were 10 apples, because this one is plural. Again you have to write the sentence like this. A lot of apples is bad. A lot of apples are bad. A lot of time have been wasted. A lot of time, we cannot count the time. A lot of time has been wasted. What are the latest news? With news, what we have to use? Is. What is the latest news? The furniture were stolen by some boys. I told you that furniture will take singular. The furniture was stolen by some boys. The wages of sin are death. The wages of sin is death. She as well as her 4 sons are arriving today. Now here she is the main person. So she as well as her 4 sons is arriving today. The congregation were waiting for the priest. The congregation was waiting for the priest. 2 and 2 makes 4, but 2 and 2 make 4. The chief with all his men were massacred. The chief with all his men was massacred. A number of interesting suggestions has been given. A number of interesting suggestions have been given. Neither the headmaster nor the assistant masters was present. Neither the headmaster nor the assistant masters were present. Slow and steady wins the race. Now do worksheet A and B in your homework.